I'm telling you, I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you. Sana dalawang puso ko.
Paano ko maayos ang problema kung di mo sasabihin sa akin?
Gusto mo ba talaga malaman?
Change your mind like a girl changes clothes. 'Cause you're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no, you're in and you're out, you're up and you're down, you're wrong when it's right, it's black and it's white. We fight, we break up, we kiss, we make up.
Ay, nako. Ayan, kasi, kaya kung ako sa inyo, makinig na lang kayo sa sasabihin ko. Humanap ka ng pangit, and it goes a little something like this.
Eto na! Eto na! Eto na!
Pero paano nga kaya, kung isang beses lang dumarating ng para sa'yo, palalampasin mo pa?